just waiting for a few more people to join. Your avatar is so pretty. Well, thank you. It's so much. It's actually the custom makeup pass. Where'd you get your necklace? Oh, I found it in the VIP room. And no, I'm not gifting out any game passes. Sorry, I guess. I wish I was you. Aw, thank you. You're so sweet. You only win because you have all the game passes? Oh, honey, I'm sorry you can't afford them. You're only an aspiring model last I checked. I'm just waiting for a few more people to.
This girl had been wearing heavy makeup every single day for an entire year.
So apparently, if you make